Welcome to our channel. If you're an online merchant ready to verify your BigCommerce e-commerce account and start selling products, follow these detailed step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit BigCommerce.com and click Start Your Free Trial to begin creating your online store account. Step 2. Enter your email address to create your account. BigCommerce will use this email for all account communications and store notifications. Step 3. Provide your store name and some basic information about your business, including what you plan to sell and your approximate sales volume. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a verification message from BigCommerce sent to the email address you provided during registration. Step 5. Open the verification email from BigCommerce and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address and access your store dashboard. Step 6. If you didn't receive the verification email, check your spam folder or log in to your BigCommerce account and request a new verification email. Step 7. Complete your store setup by providing additional business information, including your business name, address, phone number, and business type. Step 8. Set up your payment processing by connecting a payment gateway such as PayPal, Stripe, or another supported payment processor to accept customer payments. Step 9. Verify your payment processor account by providing required business documentation, tax information, and bank account details for receiving payments. Step 10. Configure your shipping settings by adding your warehouse or fulfillment address and setting up shipping rates and options for customers. Step 11. For BigCommerce's paid plans, enter your billing information and verify your payment method to activate your chosen subscription tier. Step 12. Once your email is verified and your store is configured, you can start adding products, customizing your design, and preparing to launch your online store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.